Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have come to one of the 7 wonders of Georgia, that is Stone Mountain Park. It's a family friendly attraction where you will have lot of fun activities all through the year. Especially fall through winter, you will have really very exciting activities to enjoy. All through the park there are different locations where you can take lovely pictures and nice scenic view as well. This park is the most visited state park in Georgia by our family because you will have to come every time again and again to explore everything they provide. Especially they have innumerable trails, that to scenic trails by the side of lakes and as well as walking up to the summit. Inside this park you will see lot of pavilions. They are food pavilions for people to just sit and enjoy their meal, either lunch or dinner, but there are few separate pavilions which you have to reserve in advance over their online booking. Pavilions are the picnic areas where you can conduct either small or big parties within your friends and family, or even simple meal over the weekend. Right now what you're seeing is the Lakeside View Pavilion for picnic. It is near the golf course, really very beautiful and lovely to take pictures as well. The main center of attraction of this Stone Mountain Park is the stone or the mountain in the center. Going to the top of this mountain, that is Stone Mountain, is very beautiful at the time of sunrise or sunset. For going to the top, either you have to take this summit sky ride, or the easiest way without any expenses is to walk in trail. They have trails, 2 to 3 trails to reach up to the summit, and that's what we usually choose. In this video I will be sharing the different clips from multiple visits. We keep coming to this park every week as we are trail lovers. They have lot of trails here. Walking up to the summit is one of the best trail which we usually choose. If you take the sky ride, you will get the spectacular view of the carving of the Confederates on the Stone Mountain, which is the largest carving. It is around 3 acres, which is larger than the football field. This is the main center of attraction in the Stone Mountain Park. This mountain is the world's largest single piece of granite on this property, which is the main important center of attraction. You can also see the Stone Mountain Park train, which is keep on rolling all through the day. It takes you all around the state park and gives you good piece of information about this granite and also the history behind the Stone Mountain Park as well. It's a fun ride with lot of information being shared about this Stone Mountain Park and its history. As it's time for Halloween and it's fall time, now the season over here going on is Pumpkin Festival days. Before it was, just before this Pumpkin Festival, there was Yellow Daisy Festival as well. At night times the lightings will be very sparkling and very nice. You can visit to see more. The main reason for us to visit this park again and again is this walk-up trail. This walk-up trail leads you to the top of the summit, that is the granite mountain, and you will have a very spectacular view from there to see either sunset or in the morning sunrise. Usually everybody will make it for sunset. In this video I will be sharing the time lapse of the sunset also. Sure, watch it till the end. It's a very beautiful place to take wonderful pictures as well. Whenever you choose to go for sunset or sunrise, choose a nice sunny weather day and not a cloudy day. Walking up this trail is a big challenge because the road, you can see, it will not be fully straight path. You will have to just walk up and down the stones. It will not be an even floor to walk. And this is the last where we have to just climb very steep, and you really need to have these rails to catch and then climb. We come to this park every week at least once or twice. Visiting this park, you will have to pay $20 for your ticket, but if you buy annual pass, it is just $40 all through the year. You can keep on coming for every festival they provide. They also have attractions like fireworks and also laser show on this carving, which is an important attraction at the time of July 4th. This is the spectacular view of the downtown Atlanta skyline from the top of the summit. If you zoom in, you can see it very clearly just next to the sunset. Another important attraction in the winter is nothing but the snow park. This park will be fully converted into snow play area, where you will have snow skiing and even ice skating, as well as snow playing park for kids. Hope you all enjoyed this video and find it informative as well. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.